Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I finally get to unbox my November Witch's Moon box. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Can't smell anything, but I usually can. Let's check it out. In case you don't know, it comes in this privacy mailing box. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay. White Pelican, ease, optimism, grace, cooperation. A witch's journey. I'm going to come back to this because you know I like to read it last. Quest on the Sunless Sea, a journey to the other world. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Moldavite. Magical correspondences for Moldavite. Again, beautiful. The Shamanic Roots of Witchcraft. Also super cool. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Healer of the Forest Sacred Salt Kit. Ooh. Very cool. Looking a little different, guys. Wow. After all this time, we're getting little surprises, although I like things just the way they are, to be honest. But I'm interested. Herbs of 8. Ritual herbal tea. What herbs do I got? I got something rude. Sometimes I can't read this. I will figure it out though. Grandilla? I'll have to. I'm out of it. Wild endive. Ooh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, my kid. He was amazing on the trip, but he's definitely got a lot of pent-up energy now. Highest realm. Ouch. It's got a very subtle scent. My kid sounds like that guy from the soccer commercials. Oh! He's so loud. Please don't hurt my candle. Yeah, there we go. Nice little brown beeswax candle. Oh, you put it in a little bag. So cool. Vision Quest. I love this. I love it. I'm trying to open this last because I like to open the big thing last. Alright, let's see. It's got a beautiful sigil. I mean, I think I don't like, I don't know. Whatever. Ooh. What? This looks like an animal's. Oh, wow. Oh, you can't see it. Damn. Look at this beautiful thing. What am I looking at? Oh, and this is packaged up. Let's see. I'm not quite sure what I'm looking at. It's a little bit better. Yeah. Let's go through this. This is a lot of interesting items, but I'm not quite sure about them. The truest pursuit of our craft is to connect to and retrieve knowledge from the higher realms while maintaining the roots that feed into the great soil of the earth. We are continually connecting with the sight of the unseen and obscure. As we work to follow the path of the wise, we journey into realms that are filled with visions, emotions, and overwhelming healing power. As we spend time working through different states of being, we truly become intimate with the divine energy that swirls through our very existence. The items within this collection have been created and sourced over multiple calendars. We have been eagerly waiting to share these tools with you for this very time of year. Okay, naturally shed etched antler with an amethyst pendant. That's what I thought. Ooh, I love this. Not always, but for the last several years I've been looking for sheds. And I have yet to find one, but look at that. That is lovely. And it's a very rich and purple, deep purple amethyst. Love it. This antler has been used the antler that has been used in this creation has naturally been shed from a stag and respectfully collected over the course of almost 2 years. The process by which these antlers are shed happens seasonally. Related to other magical uses of natural tools, the antler holds within it the spirit of nature as well as the gentle yet primitive spirit of the animal it once came from. Incorporated into many magical rituals and ceremonies, the antler holds onto a very long tradition of respect and reverence for the animals and spirits that walk among us in this great and wonderful world. This very powerful device holds the ability to bring energy to a more natural state of being, grounded and authentic. In return, this state allows us to connect to the effortless intuition that is held within all things. Before wearing or using this sacred item, please take time to thank its energy for the gifts that it shall bring to you on your path. This is a very important practice with all things magical. It allows you to set your intentions and open new pathways during ritual and meditation. An amethyst stone has been cast to this antler pendant to bring spiritual power and conviction to your workings, as well as adding strength to your rituals. The amethyst allows you to communicate clearly with guides and spirits. These attributes catapult our minds to higher realms of existence and understanding. Etched in the side of the antler, we have placed the 22nd. Oh, there we go. The 22nd letter of the food arc, Ingwas. Representing the god Ingwas, represents creative power and shines as a beacon of light during dark hours. A very concentrated protective energy, this rune brings safety while working to dive into other states of consciousness. Pardon me, and perception. Our intentions in bringing this piece together for you are pure heart and mind. We urge you to spend time working with the energy that is held within this pendant, that you may travel to distances unknown, retrieving intimate knowledge that will continue to assist you on your sacred and valuable path. Okay. Moldavite. Oh, Moldavite within floating frame. Hold on, baby. We are truly thrilled to be able to include a piece of Moldavite within this very meaningful collection. Moldavite is considered to be a member of the Tektite family and was formed from a large meteorite that collided in the Czech Republic almost 14.9 million years ago. This specimen was sourced from a very reputable supplier in the industry known for offering some of the finest Moldavite jewelry. A favorite of ours, Moldavite brings with it the throbbing energy of transformation. As stated within the Moldavite Magical Correspondences artwork, a stone of spiritual breakthrough, Moldavite facilitates journeys to other realms and altered states of consciousness. Moldavite's intense vibration emanates powerful frequencies, producing an immediate connection to the greater cosmic consciousness while aiding in spiritual and emotional guidance. Cool. Moldavite Magical Correspondence, Book of Shadow, we got over there, I showed you. Hand-rolled quests on the Sunless Sea spell candle with incantation. I showed both of those to you. Highest Realm Magical Anointing Oil. Stop, buddy! Lord, this child. Okay. So it's pushing you into higher realms through working through ritual, astral travel, meditation, or dream work. I've been having really vivid dreams. So it's got pine, cedar, fir needle, and rosemary oils, as well as juniper berry and motherwort, and a Lemurian quartz. Healer of the Forest salt kit. To resonate with the energies in this mixture. So basically, I'm really excited about this. Cedar, sandalwood, lavender, chamomile, and almond oils, as well as white oak, willow, lavender, and chamomile herbs. Ooh. Love that. Visual Quest Ritual Incense Sticks. Herbs of 8 Ritual Tea. Spearmint, rosemary, lemon balm, linden, eucalyptus, wood betony, blackberry leaf, and eleuthero root. Ooh. Gag root. That's what it says. Gag root. Or lobelia. Oh, I don't have this one. Great. Wild endive root or dandelion root. Cool. And then there's grandilla or passion flower. Cool. Shamanic roots of witchcraft. And personalized oracle reading from the Secret Language of Animals Oracle. And of course, parchment paper. What a cool box. That's one of the things that I absolutely love about the Witch's Moon is like, we are just doing all these different things. There's so many different things to learn. So many, I have gotten so, like a broad variety of tools from them and ritual and just tons of it. All sorts of different things. And I really like that because I'm eclectic. And so it's nice to kind of see all this huge variety of things that the world has to offer, and this is just a small portion, but still it's very varied, and kind of say like, yes, this resonates with me, not so much. So awesome box. I love the change in packaging, especially for this, because I have tons of incense and I forget which one's which. I got 3 herbs I haven't had before. I love this antler. It's really, really pretty. It's really, really pretty. And I've always wanted one. So here it is. Perfect. Totally digging it. So this has been a witch's journey. This is the Witch's Moon for November 2019. It's $54 a month. I'll leave the link below. One of my all-time favorite boxes is the Witch's Moon. And I highly recommend them to you. So check it out. Love you guys. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.